I made this video for those who care to know how did we arrive at our pricing. This is going to be specific to our SEO services and our website design services. So basically what happened was, as we got going with the business, realized very quickly that people are contacting us and they want X, Y, and Z done, and that is just we could not operate that like that. That's not a way that we could actually run a business. So we had to kind of standardize this, and that's the bottom line. So if it's not a good fit for you, no worries. Find a company that is willing to do whatever you want, but we are going to do what needs to be done. So that is how we arrived at our pricing. The a la carte services are the cheapest way to get into improving the SEO health of your website. But at the end of the day, getting one SEO a la carte service is not going to do too much. Potentially it could, but it just honestly doing one thing is hardly ever does anything any good. So we would highly recommend to get on like the 6-month plan or the 12-month plan to let us really dive in, see what's going on, do a competitive analysis, and start addressing like the items that need to be addressed so you outrank your actual competitors in your market for the keywords and phrases that you are trying to rank for. So we need time. We can't do something for $100 a month or $200 a month. It's just simply not enough. So the way we look at it is over the long term. So if you are on like a 12-month plan, we're gonna front load the majority of what we do in the first couple weeks. Honestly, that is how we're gonna do it. We need to see what happens after all the stuff we see wrong with your site is cleaned up, and then we can test and measure and change stuff and do additional things and all this kind of stuff over the course of the next 12 months. So basically what we do is we try to make it as affordable as possible by spreading the payments out, but we front load the work and we get the ball rolling right off the bat because we want to impress you. Like that is our goal, is to just be like, why didn't I contact these guys sooner? So that's the whole point of the SEO services. The prices on the website are the minimum prices. We can raise the budget up. There is a ceiling where we're just like, we couldn't provide value over this much per month, but depending on your business, your market, everything that you have going on, we can determine what a good rate would be is if your budget allows for more than what's stated on the website as far as that goes. So the one-page website, basically that's as cheap as we can get everything that needs to be on a website, and all the technical back-end SEO and all that kind of stuff. The on-page SEO, we're gonna hook it up to Bing and to Google, and it's gonna be out of the box a really solid foundation to get going. So that is our like budget-friendly way to get in a super professional website. We would much rather prefer build the flagship website, which is not that much more if you're looking at the cost per page. But the reason for that is if we build your one-page website, it has elements of every single page on that one page. So if we were to turn that into an 8-page website over time, we would simply pull elements off those pages and move them and then add a little content, and then you'd have an 8-page site. So there's numerous benefits to having multiple pages on your website. I'm not getting into that in the video, but that is why the number of pages to the price is how it is. So I just wanted to clarify that in the video. The other services, I don't feel like it's necessary to go into explaining the prices for the other miscellaneous services we offer. If you are dead set on doing this yourself, I would highly recommend contacting me. I've been using WordPress since 2011. There are just a ton of caveats, and there's just no way to really do this yourself without dedicating a whole lot of time to it and really learning a lot about exactly what Google wants from your website. And that's what I've been doing for years and years and years now. I built and sold my first business because of its internet presence. We're not your normal company, and if you contacted us, I think you'll find that out pretty quickly. But that's it. Take a look around. please feel free to schedule a consultation with me. I'd love to talk to you and look at your site specifically and see exactly what's going on. And if nothing else, you'll get a couple tips and tricks and stuff that you can implement yourself over time that'll certainly benefit your rank. And I hope to hear from you soon.